Alright, so this video, I'm going to be showing you how I took a sound system sounding like this to this. So really it's I'm going to be rewiring the whole system of the church, and this video is going to focus a lot more on the broadcast. All right, the sound that passes through the mixer and is being sent online. So the church has two services, one in the morning, which is for people in town, and then in the afternoon or in the evening they have one which is online for on Zoom. So I need to improve on the sound here in the church, and then also for the broadcast sound. And really this video will be best to explain how we can make broadcast sound better with limited gear and budget. So you can use analog mixers and create a good sounding mix for your broadcast. So I'm heading there now. I'm going to be rewiring the whole system, as I said, and I'll also show that, and we'll listen a little bit to how the sound is after everything has been set. So see you after. All right, so this is the system, as you can see. So I have to rewire everything. This is the drum set. You can see it's really, I'm speechless. So all of these have to be working. Now they had a lot of signal processing, but they were not using this drive rack. So this is what I'm going to use now. They're mostly using these two, the compressor and the signal processor, but they were not using this drive rack, and this drive rack is the best. So I'm going to connect the drive rack, and this is the only thing that will be processing the signal. And then these two I'll probably use, also with the optimizer, I'll probably use them for the signal processing of the live broadcast. So yeah, there's a lot of work to do. And then we also have these speakers, which needs, the tweeters got blown out, so they need to be arranged. And yeah, and also it's pair, which is the other way. So there's two tweeters that need to be arranged in a hole to fix the sound. So yeah. All right, so let me show you my signal flow. So first of all our inputs, starting from the drums and microphones, I had to mic the drums properly. I have just one overhead mic, so I just place that. It's a condenser mic. And yeah, for the drum kit, I changed the snare drum completely. So we got a new snare drum. It's not new, but at least it's better than what was there before. And then a bass drum skin to replace. And then we just had the overheads, one overhead. We can have two right now, but hopefully in the future we'll be able to get two to get more of a stereo sound. But what the overhead does is just makes the drum brighter and can pick up the cymbals and the general drum itself, such that the drums are brighter. And then all of that goes into the mixer. All right, and then the mixer, it's a good mixer, so we're having the possibility to send signals to the stereo out and 1 and 2. So stereo out goes to our PA system, while 1 and 2 goes to our broadcast system, the stereo sound for our broadcast system. So from the mixer, the stereo out, let me take you to the chain. The stereo out goes into the PA management system, which is the drive rack DBA, and I don't know the settings. The settings may it's just too bright. I'll try to show you the settings, but on the PA I have the compressor and limiter working, and I also have the feedback suppressor working, and I think I also set up the well, for the crossover I had it on full range, so it's really not working crossovers. The crossovers are probably done on the speakers themselves, because we now have enough power amps. So with the crossover it's all full range, and then I'm just using the compressor and the feedback suppressor and a little bit of the EQ to create the sound for the whole. And then next we have is the ultramizer to help enhance the stereo sound going for the broadcast. So this from this PA management system, it goes directly into the power amplifiers for the hall. And then channel 1 and 2, that's output 1 and 2, go into the channel for the ultramizer. Channel 1 and 2 for the ultramizer. The ultramizer enhances the sound and then sends it down to the compressor, and the compressor then sends it to the Focusrite as a stereo input, and then the Focusrite connects to the PC. So we used balanced cables, so all have to be balanced cables, balance TRS and then XLR cables. So yeah, that's how the system works. That's the chain of the system. It's really rough, but I'm going to play a few minutes of recording that we did, and you can listen to the sound that is received in the Focusrite sound card. So that's it for the video, and thank you for watching.
your